Hey, you're in the kitchen with the Holistic Chef, and I want to show you a really good cacao smoothie. You can do all kinds of things with whatever milk. Like I'm going to use a nut milk here. I've got a homemade almond milk. I've got some really great recipes in here. I'm going to make this smoothie super energizing, super tasty. I'm going to show you what goes in it. So I have a frozen banana. I have got these amazing cacao nibs. This is the raw form of chocolate, full of phytonutrients and a little fat, a little caffeine, lots of chocolatey goodness. That's going in there. I've got a pinch of salt. I've got a little cinnamon because this is going to be my Mexican cacao smoothie. My sweetener that I'm using is some agave syrup. If you're using a sweetened milk, you could maybe even skip that. That can be up to you. I'm using a little vanilla, and I'm using almond milk in mine. This is an almond milk that I've made, and so I'm really excited to use that. That's going to taste so good in there. And so now that is all in there, I'm going to go ahead and blend it. Okay. Now that that's really nice and blended, I'm blending that without the ice first because I want to let those cacao nibs break down a little bit. Now I'm going to add some ice in here because I want that ice to stay just a little bit frothy for when we're ready to drink it. Oh my gosh, I can smell the banana and the chocolate in there. All right, I'm going to blend it again. Okay. Now I have a Vitamix here, so I'm not blending that part too long because I know this is going to break down the ice really well. If you've just got a regular blender, you might do it a little bit longer. It's kind of to your taste. So now I have this beautiful cacao smoothie. I can't wait to drink this. If you want to get this recipe, all of the specific measurements and ingredients that I'm using, go ahead and look below for a way that you're going to get this in your email.